Most of what I cover on this channel is about not spending more than you have to. That is not going to change. But after a year of investigating more than 400 skincare products, 10 of them stopped me. Not because of the packaging, not because of the price. Because when I went looking for the reason the price was justified, I actually found one. 10 luxury skincare products. For each one, I am going to tell you what I found and what you should know before you spend the money. Starting with number 10. Number 10. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Around $115. I started with this one skeptically. Estee Lauder is a conglomerate that owns dozens of brands across every price point. Advanced Night Repair has been sold continuously since 1982. That kind of longevity in beauty usually means one of two things. The formula works, or the marketing is extraordinary. In this case, I found evidence for both. But the formula story is real enough to stand on its own. The bifidus technology at the core of the formula is built around the documented science of nighttime skin repair. The repurchase rate for Advanced Night Repair is one of the highest in prestige skincare. Women who buy it once buy it again. That pattern, sustained across 4 decades and millions of customers, is a different kind of evidence than a clinical study, and in some ways a harder one to fake. There is a specific observation I kept returning to while investigating this serum. The women who use Advanced Night Repair do not describe it the way women describe most luxury skincare, as something they are trying, evaluating, or deciding whether to continue. They describe it the way they describe a habit. They have used it for 8 years. For 12 years. They ran out once and noticed immediately. That loyalty pattern across 40 years of repurchase from women who are not beauty enthusiasts but simply found something that worked and kept buying it is the evidence I found most difficult to argue with. One honest note, the formula contains fragrance. For women with reactive or sensitive skin, this is worth knowing before committing to a $115 bottle. The fragrance-free version does not exist. If fragrance is a concern, this one requires a patch test first. Number 9. Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, around $150. Elemis has been conducting marine-based skincare research for over 30 years. What makes the Pro Collagen Marine Cream worth investigating is not the marine angle. Plenty of brands use ocean-derived ingredients for marketing purposes, but the specific ingredient they built the formula around. Padina pavonica is a brown macroalgae with documented research behind its ability to stimulate the synthesis of glycosaminoglycans, the compounds responsible for the skin's natural hydration reservoir and structural support. Elemis commissioned independent clinical trials on the formula, not just the ingredient, with results published from studies of 38 participants over 4 weeks. The trials showed significant reduction in the appearance of fine lines and improved hydration. Independent clinical testing is not the same as peer-reviewed publication in a dermatology journal. I want to be precise about that. But it is meaningfully different from consumer perception surveys, which is what most luxury skincare uses as its evidence base. Elemis did the harder test. The honest note here is the fragrance. The formula contains mimosa flower and rose, signature scents of the brand. For the majority of women, this is not a concern. For women whose skin has become reactive, this is the factor to consider before purchasing. Number 8. Shiseido Vital Perfection Uplifting and Firming Cream. Around $95. Shiseido has been formulating skincare since 1872. That number is not marketing heritage, it is a research timeline. The brand has spent over a century studying Japanese skin, aging patterns unique to Asian women, and the mechanisms of skin firmness as it changes with hormonal shifts. That accumulated knowledge informs formulas in ways that newer brands with stronger marketing budgets simply cannot replicate. Vital Perfection is built around Renura Technology Plus, a patented system the brand developed to support the skin's own renewal signaling. The mechanism is proprietary, and like most proprietary technologies, the independent validation is limited to what the brand shares. What is not limited is the track record. Consistent results among women over 50 who describe improved firmness and texture with sustained use, and a repurchase rate that reflects real experience rather than aspirational marketing. At $95, it sits at the lower end of the luxury skincare price range. The price-to-research ratio here is one of the strongest on this list. 150 years of skin research, a patented delivery technology, and a formula that has maintained consistent results among mature skin users for less than most prestige serums cost. That combination is why it earned a place on this list. Number 7. Sulwhasoo Concentrated Ginseng Renewing Cream. Around $210. Korean skincare has a complicated relationship with Western beauty culture. The innovation is real and well documented. The ingredients, however, are sometimes better known for their narrative than their clinical evidence. Sulwhasoo is different in a specific way. The brand is the flagship of Amore Pacific, one of the largest beauty conglomerates in Asia, and it was built around 6-year-aged Cheonggahong ginseng, a variety cultivated specifically for the brand through a process that takes years and produces a concentration of ginsenosides that generic ginseng extract does not replicate. This is not marketing language. Ginsenosides, the active compounds in ginseng, have genuine research behind their effects on cellular energy and skin renewal. The concentration and form matter significantly. In Korean dermatology clinics, Sulwhasoo holds the position that La Mer holds in American department stores, the luxury standard that practitioners reach for and patients request. The difference is that Korean dermatology culture evaluates skincare closer to how it evaluates pharmaceuticals. Dermatology visits are routine, not exceptional, and sustained professional recommendation in that environment carries a different weight than in a market driven by brand sponsorships. That sustained recommendation, across decades, is what I found most persuasive about this formula. More than the ingredient story alone. The honest note, there is no independent peer-reviewed clinical trial specifically on this formula in a Western dermatology journal. The evidence base is strong ingredient research and a long track record in Korean clinical settings. For $210, that distinction matters. Number 6. SkinCeuticals AGE Interrupter Advanced, around $182. Most anti-aging skincare addresses the same 3 mechanisms: collagen support, antioxidant protection, and hydration. SkinCeuticals AGE Interrupter was built around a 4th mechanism that most brands ignore: glycation. Glycation is the process by which sugar molecules bond to proteins in the skin, creating cross-linked structures called advanced glycation end products. The AGE in the product name is not accidental. These cross-linked proteins make skin progressively stiffer, duller, and less able to repair itself. After 50, glycation accelerates. Almost nothing in mainstream skincare addresses it. The key ingredient is proxylane, a patented xylose derivative developed by SkinCeuticals through years of research into the glycosaminoglycan matrix. The compound has documented ability to support the glycosaminoglycan matrix, the structural network that glycation progressively damages. Combined with phytosphingosine and a lipid complex, the formula addresses barrier support alongside the glycation mechanism. Dermatologists who specialize in photoaging have described proxylane as one of the more differentiated cosmetic ingredients available, addressing a mechanism that most anti-aging formulas do not reach. For women over 50 who have used retinol, vitamin C, and peptides consistently and still feel they are not addressing the specific stiffening and dullness that comes with age, this formula addresses the mechanism those products do not reach. Number 5. Sisley Paris Ecological Compound, around $185. Every brand on this list so far has a research story. What separates Sisley is something different: a constraint, not a technology or a patent, a decision about what the brand will and will not say. Sisley was founded in 1976 by Hubert and Isabel Dornano as a private family company. It remains one. No outside investors. No private equity. No acquisition by a conglomerate. The Dornano family has retained complete control of the formulation philosophy since founding, and they operate under a constraint that almost no other luxury skincare brand accepts: they do not make claims the formula cannot support. That constraint matters more than it sounds. The luxury skincare industry has built an extraordinary apparatus for making claims that sound scientific without being testable. Sisley's founding philosophy rejected that model. Every botanical in their formulas is selected based on documented activity, and the brand has consistently refused to market mechanisms they cannot demonstrate. The ecological compound is built around a blend of phytoestrogens, essential oils, and botanical extracts that has been in continuous production since 1976. The formula addresses the specific hormonal dimension of skin aging after 50, the decline in estrogen that accelerates collagen loss, thins the dermis, and changes the way skin responds to moisture. The role of phytoestrogens in topical skincare is an active area of dermatological research. Sisley was formulating around this mechanism decades before it became a mainstream conversation. After 50, the skin changes in ways that standard anti-aging formulas were not designed for. The dryness becomes more severe. The barrier becomes more fragile. Products that worked for years begin to feel insufficient. Most skincare companies respond by increasing concentrations of existing actives. Sisley responded by going to the root mechanism, the hormonal shift that changes how skin ages after menopause, and formulating around it before most brands were having that conversation. The formula contains fragrance. For a brand built on botanical integrity, this is a considered choice rather than a careless one. The essential oils are functional ingredients, not masking agents. For women with extreme fragrance sensitivity, this remains a consideration. No sponsorships, no brand relationships, no products sent to me for review. The second half of this list. Number 4, IS Clinical Pro Heal Serum Advance Plus, around $148. IS Clinical was founded by scientists and physicians, not beauty marketers. When you want to understand what a skincare brand actually is, as opposed to what it says it is, look at where the products end up. IS Clinical products are used in oncology programs where patients undergoing chemotherapy need skincare that works on barrier-compromised, radiation-sensitized skin without introducing any ingredient that could cause additional stress. The Mayo Clinic carries them. That is not a retail relationship. That is a clinical one. Pro Heal Serum Advance Plus addresses what most vitamin C serums do not: reactive, sensitized, and compromised mature skin. The formula combines 15% L-ascorbic acid with olive leaf extract, retinol functioning as a cellular antioxidant rather than an exfoliant, mushroom extract for barrier support, and zinc. For women whose skin has become reactive to most active ingredients, for whom standard retinol causes irritation and strong vitamin C serums sting, this formula delivers antioxidant protection without the inflammatory response that makes other actives impossible to use consistently. One formulation note worth knowing: the ingredient list includes alcohol denat, denatured alcohol, as a carrier for the ascorbic acid. For some women with severely dry or compromised skin, this can be drying on initial application. In my investigation, this was the most common reason women stopped using it. Starting with every other day and building to daily use mitigates this in most cases. Number 3, Revision Skincare Nectifirm Advanced, around $133. The neck is where most skincare routines stop. Not because women do not care about their neck, but because for decades, the products marketed for neck and décolleté were either standard face creams renamed and repriced, or firming creams that delivered temporary tightening from film-forming ingredients and nothing measurable over time. Revision Skincare spent 40 years building a physician-dispensed skincare line, products sold through dermatology offices and plastic surgery practices, not through department store counters. Nectifirm was one of the first products in that channel to be developed specifically for the structural differences between neck skin and facial skin. The neck loses collagen faster than the face. The skin is thinner. The movement patterns create different types of lines than what appears on the face. Nectifirm Advanced was formulated around those differences, with 8 peptides, microbiome technology, and antioxidant systems built for the specific aging pattern of the neck and décolleté. The clinical data shows 94% average improvement in the appearance of neck firmness from brand-sponsored studies. I want to name that clearly: brand-sponsored. not independent third-party research. According to Klein and Company's analysis, Revision Nectifirm is the #1 neck treatment recommended by medical professionals in the United States. That recommendation pattern, sustained across dermatologists and plastic surgeons who have no obligation to recommend any specific product, is the evidence I found most compelling. Number 2, Chanel N1 de Chanel Red Camellia Revitalizing Serum. Around $105. Chanel spent 10 years researching the Red Camellia before launching the N1 line. The camellia has been part of Chanel's identity since Gabrielle Chanel wore it in the 1920s. The N1 line uses it as a functional ingredient, specifically the red camellia, which contains a higher concentration of polyphenols and antioxidants than white or pink varieties. 10 years of research is not unusual for pharmaceutical development. It is almost unheard of in cosmetic ingredient development, where speed to market is the standard. I was prepared not to include a Chanel product on this list. The brand's identity is built on aspiration and heritage rather than clinical evidence, and most of their skincare reflects that priority. Then I looked at the N1 serum and found something I did not expect. It is fragrance-free. Chanel, a fragrance house, a brand whose entire identity is built on scent, formulated their flagship skincare serum without fragrance. That single decision changed my assessment. It is a signal that someone in the formulation process prioritized what the product does to the skin over what it signals about the brand. The red camellia extract is present at a meaningful concentration. The research timeline 10 years before launch is documented. For a house that could charge twice as much on brand name alone, the restraint in both pricing and formulation is not what I expected to find. At $105, it sits at the lower end of the luxury serum category. For a fragrance-free formula from a house that could charge twice as much on brand name alone, that pricing reflects unusual restraint. Number 1, SkinCeuticals HA Intensifier, around $108. Hyaluronic acid is one of the most widely used ingredients in skincare. It is also one of the most misunderstood. Topically applied hyaluronic acid hydrates the surface of the skin. It does not replenish the hyaluronic acid the skin has lost. This distinction matters enormously after 50, when the skin's own hyaluronic acid production declines significantly with age. Adding hyaluronic acid to the surface addresses the symptom. It does not address the mechanism. SkinCeuticals HA Intensifier was the first topical serum with documented ability to increase the skin's own hyaluronic acid production rather than simply supplement it from outside. The Hafix technology combines proxylane with licorice root extract and purple rice extract. In clinical research published by the brand, the formula demonstrated a documented increase in skin's own hyaluronic acid levels after 4 weeks of consistent use, results that SkinCeuticals has cited in peer-reviewed dermatology publications. That is not a consumer perception number. It is a measured biological outcome documented in published research. Every other hyaluronic acid product in this list, at every price point, works from outside the skin in. SkinCeuticals HA Intensifier works from inside the skin out. That mechanism is why it earned the top position on this list. Not because of the price. Not because of the brand reputation. Because after a year of investigating 400 products, this was the one where the science said something I had not heard anywhere else and then held up when I checked. Drop in the comments. Which of these have you tried? And which one surprised you most?